Guys, it's me Alex here. We know the administrator password is very important. Not only administrator password, any user passwords, right? If you forgot the administrator password and if you don't have any record of this in anywhere, that means you're screwed. But don't worry, I will try to explain a simple method to retrieve the administrator password. So I am in the login screen. I'm using the Oracle VirtualBox. I just spinned up a VM using Windows Server 2016. Here I'm trying to enter the password, but sadly it's not working. And in this window we have the ease of access button, and it is having these much options. But anyway, let's start the process to retrieve or reset the password. So it's basically reset the password. I'm turning off the machine. You can also try a restart. So basically we need to um, use the installation media which we have used to install the system. So I am going to load the installation media. It is loading. Okay, now this is the same setup which I have used to install the system. Okay, click on next, and here we have an option like repair your computer. Choose that one, and you have three options here. Choose troubleshoot and choose command prompt. Okay, so the command prompt is open now. Basically I need to go to the system32 folder which is inside the Windows. So I'm not sure whether this X drive is the OS drive. For checking that one, let's try with dir command and see whether the Windows folder is there. No, right? No Windows folder. So let's try to switch to C drive and check whether that is the right OS drive. I'm using the dir. Okay, the Windows folder is also not there. Now let's switch to D drive using the same dir command. There we go. We have the Windows folder. Let's try to change the directory to Windows, and now we need to change the directory to system32. Okay, now we are inside the system32. So in the beginning of this video I have explained about that ease of access button, right? When you click on that one, an application is loading in the backend or background, and that application is called Utilman exe. So now we are trying to rename that application. For that one, I'm using a command like ren rename utilman exe to utilman1.exe. Okay, means this application is renamed now. Now if you try to go to the login page or login screen, and if you try to click on that ease of access button, nothing is going to happen because that application is not there in the correct name. I just renamed it. Now we are going to copy the command prompt in the name of utilman.exe. For that one, I'm using copy command cmd.exe to utilman.exe. So basically cmd.exe is also inside the system32. I'm making a copy of cmd.exe in the name of utilman.exe. So what I'm expecting is when you click on that ease of access button, the command prompt should open up. Okay, it says one file copied. Now exit this one, turn off your PC, start it again. Alright, so now we are in the login page. Try clicking on the ease of access. There you go. We have the command prompt here. Now type control pass passwords 2. Sorry, it's not password, should be user passwords. User passwords 2. So it's opened up the user list, user accounts. The command we are using, control space user passwords 2. From here I can easily reset the password. Select the user, click on reset, enter the new password. Click on OK. Click on OK. Exit this one. Type the new password here. We are in. Now we need to revert the changes. For that, go to the C drive, Windows, System32, and here search for utilman exe. So this one, utilman exe.exe, utilman.exe. This is actually the CMD, the command prompt, and it already served its purpose, so we don't need to keep this. You can delete it. And now we need to change the utilman 1.exe to utilman.exe. But if you look at the property and security and advanced, you can see the owner is trusted installer. That means we cannot simply rename this file. For that one, you have to go back to System32, take the folder properties, go to security, go to advanced, and change the owner from trusted installer to users. Type users, check names, click on OK, click on apply, and click on apply, click on apply. Now again open System32, search for utilman 1.exe, change that one to utilman exe. Yeah, that worked. Now if we want to, for the safer side, let's revert from users to trusted installer. Take the property, security, advanced, change, and here type nt space service / trusted installer, TNI in capital. Check for names. Yes, it's listed here. Click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now if you check the property of that file, you can see the owner will be trusted installer. Yes, it's changed to trusted installer. So this way we can simply reset the administrator or any user account password if you forget it. Thanks for watching the video.